Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the Mint replacement apps for credit card tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Mint replacement apps for credit card tracking. Press enter to load the search results. Look for articles or blog posts that list the best alternatives to Mint for credit card tracking. Once you've found a reliable source, take note of the recommended apps. Next, open a new tab and search for the first app on your list. Visit the official website of the app. Look for a download button or a link to get the app. If the app is available on app stores, you may also search for it on Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. After finding the app, click on the download or install button. Follow any prompts that appear to complete the download process. If you are downloading on a mobile device, the app will automatically install once the download is complete. For desktop users, locate the downloaded file, typically in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app on your device. You will be prompted to set up an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required information to create your account. After setting up your account, log in to access your credit card tracking features. Repeat this process for any additional apps you want to download. Explore the features of each app to find the best fit for your financial tracking needs. Now, you are ready to start tracking your credit card expenses effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.